And our last recurring decimal we're going to convert for tonight is 0.6177, which is just repeating the last three digits. The 6 is not being repeated, so that's the same as saying something like 0.6177177177 blah 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 forever and forever. Well, we want to get rid of this repeating 177. So I'm going to declare that x equals 0.6177 with the 177 repeating. We are going to once again use the Beelzebub maneuver and make this a 10x, which means that's going to equal 6.177. Repeating that very conveniently puts all the repeating stuff on one side of the decimal and the non-repeating stuff on the other side of the decimal. Okay, our next step is to match up our repeating stuff so that it can go away with some subtraction. So I'll do this and this. So now I have made my number 10,000 times as big. I've moved the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So times 10 times 100 times 1,000 times 10,000. So we've got an x here, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 1. So that's 10,000x equals 6,177.177 repeating. And we got 10x equals 6.177 repeating. So we'll do a little subtraction here. So this is nice and convenient. It makes our repeating stuff go away, which is great because we hates it. So we subtract 6 from 7, we get a 1. 7 minus nothing is 7. 1 minus nothing is 1. 6 minus nothing is 6. So now we've got 6,171, which is not as horrible as it looks. Now we've got 10,000x minus 10x. That's going to be 9,990x. Okay. Let's divide both sides by 9,990. And that all became one big fat 1. So x equals 6,171 over 9,990. All right, let's take a look and see if we can reduce this sum. So the bottom, the denominator, is clearly divisible by 10, but the top isn't. It's divisible by 2, the top isn't. But there may be some other things. It's divisible by 3, and it's divisible by 9, and divisible by 111. But let's test 3 and 9 out. Once again, to figure out if a number is divisible by 3 or 9, you add the digits together. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus another 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3, but not by 9. So 6,171 is divisible by 3. So we will factor out 3 from the top and bottom. Now the bottom is pretty simple to do. 9,990 divided by 3 is 3,330. I'm going to get some long division out for the top part, though. 6,171 divided by 3. Okay, 3 goes into 6, nice and tidy, 2 times. So that's a 6. Bring down the 1. 3 goes into 1, no times. Put that up there right above the 1 so I keep track of my place value. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Bring down my 7. So that's 17. 3 goes into 17. Sorry about that bump. 6 times 6. No, 5 times. What am I saying? 5 times. So 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, subtract. That's a 2. Bring down the 1. I've got a 21. 3 goes into 21. 7 times 3 is 21. I have no remainder. I'm good. So my numerator is 2,057. So Here is my answer. 2,057 over 3,330. So that's 2,057 over 3,330 is the same as 0.6177 with a 177 repeating. And we are done.